There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A, and today's video, of course, you already know is the UNice hair slay. Girl, these wigs come pre-everything, and I absolutely love their Balayage unit. This is a 13x4. It has an elastic band. It also has an adjustable strap in the nape, comb, and one of my favorites, which is a drawstring. So ladies, get into this wig because it's already been bleached for you, already been pre-plucked, already been pre-styled. Girl, it's already been pre-approved. It's absolutely amazing unit. If you guys love units that are already done for you, especially if you are a beginner, then I would definitely suggest getting a unit from UNice Hair. This one is 24 inches, 180% in density, and Brazilian body wave hair. Now, I'm going to just pre-pluck a little bit extra, only because this is my preference. You don't need to. This is optional, but I like it to mimic my own hairline just as much as possible. Now, as I stated, these units come pre-everything. You don't need any type of glue or hairspray, but I just put on a little bit of my Pump It Up just so that lace can disappear and melt. This is not going to hold my wig down for days on end, just until I'm ready to remove it. And just to make sure that my wig melts, I'm going to be putting on my melting band, using my wax stick. But I'll definitely link everything down below for UNice Hair. They're super affordable, and you get so many great amenities when you purchase a unit from them.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like the time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Ain't get enough, babe.
So ladies, this is about it for the unit. She came out super gorgeous, very full, silky, and just very, very soft. Bouncy curls, super long hair. Like I stated, this is 24 inches, 180%. And this is their balayage. I love this hair. I love the color of this unit. UNice is super duper affordable. They are available on Amazon, Aliexpress, and also their actual website. Get into this hair, girl, because look at this. If you want to look fabulous on a budget, baby, get you a wig from UNice Hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to please rate, comment, and subscribe, and thumbs the video up if you liked the video. Make sure I love you all. Stay diva and divalicious, and I'll see y'all on the next one.
Love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like the time was right now. Show me what it's about.